let's learn how to use an addition model. So we're going to use a bar model for an addition question. Melissa has 50 blue beads and 20 red beads. How many beads does she have all together? So this is one bar showing one total. This is a whole part model. How many does she have all together? We don't know the total. She's got two parts, 50 blue in the bigger part and 20 red. Okay, let's write out a number sentence. 50 plus 20 equals. That's going to give us our total. So let's do that in column form. 50 plus 20 equals 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 2 is 7. So it equals 70. And we can write out our statement. She has 70 beads all together.